Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So I just got back driving and fixing this Toyota Tacoma two-wheel drive. I replaced the rear U-joint. So the problem with this, the customer's complaint was there was a vibration and a noise below 5 miles an hour when coming to a stop. And it would kind of be make a noise. And also for me, because I've driven several vehicles, it felt like a truck, one of those big monster trucks with the knobby tires, and the knobby tires, they get all lumpy. That's what it sounded like, and that's what it felt like, a lumpy tire car, a lumpy tire truck, sorry. So yeah, coming to a stop, 5 miles an hour and less, it was like, and you'd feel kind of a vibration and a shaking. So, but the rear U-joint, there was no rotating it. It rotated one way, but not the other. It was like locked up in one of the directions. So it was binding, causing that vibration through the truck. So check your U-joints for a vibration problem when coming to a stop. Surprisingly, it didn't squeak. It was dry, but it was certainly vibrating. So vibrating when coming to a stop, check your rear U-joint. Toyota Tacoma. Hope this helps somebody.